manje ngithi I am willing to die angeke lezi ngishaya ama setup until makuza kuna kusema sectionini like lo mfana lo bekahlala ngathi beka kwenye section so makeza uza kule section esikuyo makeza mfana khona uyasatshwa uCasper or Casper or something uyasatshwa umvenda umuntu so bathi ushane karate so ukuza kanje kuyabona into kuyakhulunywa ukuthi lo mfana uyarapana wenzani uyashayana kulibele kukhulunywa ngaye bayamsaba wonke umuntu until afike sectionini sonke sithukile nami ngiyasho bathi lo kulanda eselini ukhahlelisele akungena kukhahlela enzeni ama rapes umfana khona mawuzo uhamba ama federal charge wala ejele ama rape like konke section lapho makhona phuma nge-rape and siyezwa so uphume kule sele i-rape uphume kule sele mara kusinto enzeka every day uzozwa after isikhathi
every now and then
until afike sectionini yethu ngibhizi neBhayibheli at that time ngeke sengiconvicted iBhayibheli lithe mangiyifunda for whatever reason mina it was reflection, it was like a mirror for the first time I could see myself and ngabona mfana miserable, broken. So broken that you have embraced evil and then evil has become you. You have become part with evil and then now sabon. Ole lakho lenzeni but manje huwe leyo yenza huwe manje. This is you can't make excuse for ipain yakho nani. You are evil now kwa wena.